Hello everyone, if you are looking to see how I did this full glam slash special occasion slash birthday makeup slash anything type of makeup, looking to see how I did this beat, stay tuned. Products from TJ Maxx. And I'm putting this on my face right now because I'm gonna put like a good amount. It's real cold outside, so make sure you're moisturizing. Before you do your makeup, I think it's really important. Facial hair, like shaved, or like a clean, seamless look to my face. And then I'm gonna do my eyebrows first. It is several ways you can do your makeup. When I did my makeup like this, I did my eyebrows first. So what I like to do is focus on the arch first. But I did this makeup look last year for my birthday and I loved it. Let me put a picture. Okay, and I forgot to tell y'all what this is. This is the NYX micro brow pencil. I don't know if I can see that. It's the NYX and it is in the color espresso. Okay. And now I'm just gonna comb those out and let those colors blend in and mix. Okay, I think I like my eyebrows. 5 a.m. now I'm on right now. I'm doing last little brush. And again, this is espresso color. Yeah. Anywho, I'm going to be using the Too Faced Born This Way concealer. And this is in the color Cookie. It's full coverage. And having a thick concealer on your eyelids in place of a primer is okay. And I just don't go in immediately with my color. I kind of like scoot it up. So that was just a regular concealer brush with a point at the top. And this is really good to keep, I guess. I don't know why, but keep it. Or just run away with it. 300 brush. It smells good. And always when you're blending out, why did I sound Jamaican? Always when you blending out your anything liquid, have your brush a little damp. Tap it in there. I'm not trying to pick it up at all. The only thing I'm trying to do is tap it into my skin. Give me 1 second. And the edges is most important. These edges here. A little bit more concealer on these lids. At that. And usually I wouldn't consider myself a yellow undertone, but this is pretty much a yellow undertone for me. And I love that pop under my eyeball. With this same brush, I'm gonna go in with my Sasha buttercup. So what I'm doing is just setting it with the same brush that I use. Pack the concealer down. I'm just putting setting powder on there. Sasha buttercup. Oh, buttercup light. This girl, Jada Glam, taught me how to do my makeup year before last. I used to be up on her lives, like, show me what you're doing wrong. I'm gonna put a generous amount. Just gonna slurp it up. I be stalking Logan Nicole and I be stalking Jada Glam. I'm not gonna say stalk, but I be watching them. I love their makeup looks, but stalk is really crazy. But and I feel like if you think it's a right or wrong way to do makeup, then you're doing it wrong. Powder. All I need is this little much. Girl, whatever fits your face and whatever you like, that's the right way to do makeup. See a bald eye. The best way to be is bald eyeballs. Flat, fluffy brush. And this is Jessup. Of these brushes I'm using are like Jessup because Logan Nicole told me to get it, so I got it. Then some of them are just like random concealer brushes and stuff like that. But Juvia's Place bronzer, the color 10. So now I'm just basically building a shadow around my eye with the lightest color until it's built a nice base. Draw some tape with a Scotch shipping tape, makeup tape. This is Revolution Reloaded Velvet Rose type of palette. I've been using this since the beginning of time. Shade here. And that is I am just gonna stay pretty much close to the edges, but kind of buff it out. It's so good. I feel like it's more pigmented than Morphe over there. I'm gonna kind of come over just a little bit with it. So that was this color. Now I'm going with this color. It a little bit closer. Kind of buff it out too. I'm gonna use like a pointer brush. Now I'm just gonna use this brown. I'm kind of dragging the line outward. It's supposed to be like Jay-Z inspired. If I can find the picture of her makeup, I'll put it here. The brush I used for bronzer, oops, I am going to use this to buff everything out. Okay. We are going to clean it up. Last time I did my makeup, I did it with a cream concealer, which was crazy. It kind of like my eyeshadow was cracking because of course the powder. I'm taking another concealer brush. So I'm using the same concealer I used in the beginning. I am going to use salt. And then like start from the bottom. This is a pretty color. It's not too bright for it. It's just a pretty color. This is not a flat brush. It's not giving flat, it's giving, what's that? I always wonder if you extra still is adjustment. And I'm trying to like pull out line. You don't need to go in a circle. You just need to go out. Or just like a fluffy brush. And just gonna tap it in there. Puff it out. And of course it's gonna look crazy now, but I'm gonna set it with a little setting powder first. So if I were to put something on it, it would pull too much. Just a little bit. But make sure you like it before you set it. Because if you don't set even like this slightly, whatever you put on the top of it is gonna pull. After setting it, I'm going to put a neutral color. Give it some color without giving it no color. I'm just like blending this out wherever you want to go. So this is just the same tapered eyeshadow brush that I used for the darker corners or whatever. And I'm just adding a little bit more in case my powder dusted it off. So I'm just like, but I didn't add anything to this brush, just the leftover. Whatever's leftover is what I'm using. And I'm gonna give myself a small wing eyeliner. I love doing the top lid eyeliner. I feel like kind of mess up with putting on your eyelashes. And it don't have to be perfect either because I'm gonna buff it out with some black. Just a dark or black. Just kind of like a glitter black. And I'm going in with a flat brush because I don't have what I want to use. And like, I love this so much. Like, I tried to tape it back. It don't even close on the side. Like, it's just rough. But I give myself a line in the front. And it does not have to be perfect. Then a regular flat brush. You got the Sino for me. And I'm gonna just take this sticker off. Ooh. Ooh. I love it. What did I do? Don't use this shit. I don't even know why I use this, to be honest. And usually I would have put highlighter up and down, glowy, especially if it's an important day for you. So don't forget that. I like doing aloe on my face with moisturizer. And I'm using the Master Chrome Mabaline, I'm sorry. I love them. I just love them. Let me use this brush. And usually I'll highlight it first. Looks e.l.f. And what I like about Fit Me is you can make your, if you want a full coverage face, you can make it full coverage. Brush. We're rocking. We keep it rocking. Shake it, baby. And this is Nars. Nars, it changed my life. Okay. I'm doing a little forehead. It'd be kind of fun to draw on your face. I'm gonna let this set on my face just a little bit before I go in. I'm going to find me some eyelashes to put on. These are pretty short and thick. And I got these online. This is Nor Cala. I got them from Amazon. They were really short. I was expecting them to be a little longer because I found me some cute eyelashes in TJ Maxx. And I was not able to find those ever again. But I think the brand was Cala. Because now I like me some nice short eyelashes, but doubled for nice events. What I like to do is grab everything in the middle of my face first. And I don't like my concealer too bright. I just like it perfect. And then I have a brightener. Oh my goodness. I don't have anything to brighten. Another concealer to brighten my face up. That'll do it. That will definitely do it. I am going to use medium beige pro concealer just for a little bit of touch of brightness. I'm just buff out the edges of my eye concealer, just the edges. I'm going in with my Nars to clean up my wing. And then kind of buff that out already too. Okay. I am using is for base eyeshadow brush. It is the 3-in-1 brush. It's real small but fluffy. And this is the one I use for my concealer, but this is the one for my concealer today. Right. Going in with a powder puff and then the same baking powder I've used the whole time. So while it is on, I'm gonna get this fluffy brush for my bronzer. I am actually going to alternate between these two colors. And this is just like a little flat brush. I'm gonna just put it in the middle, right there, down this way. This is Juvia Plays Volume 2. And I'm going in with both of them. And I'm gonna make it extra blushy to the top. I'm gonna grab a big old brush and sweep off every setting powder that I have. Pores, foundation, micro smooth powder, 33 honey. Okay, now I'm going with a smaller one. Just use my Master Chrome again. Anywho, going back into this palette, I'm gonna grab the black. Really? Ashy lips. All my lipstick is in my purse. Don't ask me. I'm not even finna mess with this eyelash. Like, it's finna stay on here. It's NYX eye pencil, medium brown. Okay. And I'm using a lip pencil now to like diffuse it where I want it to go. And Soulmate in this Morphe color other half. And it's gonna be like a lipstick for me because I'm just gonna place it in the middle to give myself a nice tint. Rub it in like this. I don't like rubbing it with my lips because I feel like your lips can just place it anywhere. If I do, I'm doing this. It's going to make it matte with the creamy beige, just any old concealer. Just make it matte. I like it right here. And then now I'm going in with my Essence Bold number 3. I love this lipstick. It's like a natural color. And it's also moisturizing. Thank you guys for tuning in, and I'll see you next time. Thank you.